In this video, I will show Chime account. Before we start video, if you need profitable content, then press the subscribe button and let's get to work. And if you need an USA account like Venmo, GoTo, and many others account like Moneylion, any kind of USA account, feel free to join my Telegram. My Telegram here also in the description. So let's open Gilarc file and you need to connect proxy. Open Chime apps. If you need a Chime account, new one, then feel free to join my Telegram. If you place order for address changeable and Chime and whatever 5K, 2K, all Chime available. So see, this is my 2K limit Chime. I'll show. See account details, view limit. See pay anion with Chime account 2000 sending per limit and 10,000 receiving per limit. So if you need account like that, then feel free to join my account. See, this is P2P enable, here all transaction. So that's for today. If you need any kind of USA account, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo and Chime, feel free to join my Telegram. Thank you.